Hello, coffee enthusiast. I won't make the intro long to bother you. So let's jump right in my list of top 3 Turkish coffee maker. 3. Arzum Okka Automatic Turkish Greek Coffee Machine. The Arzum Okka Automatic Turkish Coffee Machine brings the centuries-old tradition of Turkish coffee into the modern era with a blend of convenience and authenticity. One of the first things you'll notice is its sleek, compact design, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. But what truly sets the Okka apart is its ability to brew coffee with the same rich foam and deep flavor you'd expect from a traditional sezve, all at the touch of a button. After testing the Okka, the standout feature is its automatic brewing and self-cleaning system. The machine allows you to simply add water and finely ground coffee, press a button, and let it handle the rest. The slow brewing process ensures that the coffee is never burnt, preserving the nuanced flavors and creating that signature layer of foam known as köpük on top of every cup. For those who value consistency, this machine delivers cup after cup with the same robust taste and creamy texture. The Okka's large water tank is a game changer for households or small offices, allowing you to brew multiple cups without constant refilling. Its patented technology gives you precise control over brewing time and temperature, so you can adjust the strength and flavor to your liking. 2. ETHNIQ Turkish Coffee Maker. For those who appreciate a blend of tradition and technology, the ETHNIQ Turkish Coffee Maker offers an exceptional brewing experience. This electric sezve is designed to mimic the classic method of brewing Turkish coffee, while incorporating smart features that make the process effortless and consistent. One of the ETHNIQ's most impressive features is its ember cooking function. This unique setting replicates the taste and texture of coffee brewed over sand or embers, producing a double layer of foam and a deep, complex flavor that's hard to achieve with standard electric machines. The result is a cup of coffee that's rich, aromatic, and true to the authentic Turkish experience. With a capacity of up to 4 cups, the ETHNIQ is ideal for both solo coffee moments and small gatherings. The machine offers 2 brewing modes, one for 1 to 2 cups and another for 3 to 4 cups, ensuring you get the perfect amount every time. The CookSense technology takes the guesswork out of brewing by automatically shutting off when the foam reaches its optimal level, so you never have to worry about overcooking or boiling over. During testing, the ETHNIQ impressed with its speed and ease of use. Brewing a full pot takes just 2 to 3 minutes, and the included measuring spoon and water cup make it easy to get the proportions right. 1. Brentwood Appliances TS170S Electric Turkish Coffee Maker. Taking the top spot is the Brentwood Appliances TS170S Electric Turkish Coffee Maker, a machine that combines style, power, and authenticity in one compact package. From the moment you set it up, it's clear that this coffee maker is designed with the true Turkish coffee enthusiast in mind. The Brentwood TS170S boasts a powerful 800-watt heating element, allowing it to brew up to 4 cups of Turkish coffee in just minutes without sacrificing quality or flavor. The stainless steel construction not only looks elegant, but also ensures durability and easy cleaning. The 360-degree swivel base and detachable power base make it incredibly convenient to use, whether you're left or right-handed. What really sets the TS170S apart is its commitment to authentic brewing techniques. The machine's manual operation gives you hands-on control over the process, allowing you to experiment with grind size and coffee amount to achieve your perfect cup. The boil dry protection feature is a thoughtful addition, automatically shutting off the unit if there's no liquid inside, which helps prevent accidents and extends the machine's lifespan. During testing, the Brentwood delivered consistently rich, aromatic coffee with a thick layer of foam, just like you'd find in a bustling Istanbul cafe. The ergonomic handle and drip-free spout make pouring easy and mess-free, while the compact size ensures it won't crowd your kitchen counter. Final thought. So, which Turkish coffee maker will you choose to start your own daily ritual? Whether you value tradition, convenience, or a perfect blend of both, these top 3 machines guarantee a rich, foamy cup every time. Let us know your favorite in the comments and enjoy your journey into the world of Turkish coffee.